All right. We should be on page 10, and it says alliteration of boogie woogie woo. Alliteration is not the repetition of vowel sounds, that's assonance. Alliteration is repetition of the consonant sound. So anything except the vowels, okay? What are the vowels? And sometimes what? Well, the joke I made up in the first period was why it's kind of like the side, the side boyfriend or girlfriend. Like sometimes why, sometimes not why. But that's neither here nor there. Let's talk about alliteration. A boogie woogie woo. We've got 4 poems that kind of focus on alliteration on this sheet of paper. And because we love and respect Peyton so much, Peyton, we've got one called Precious Stones, one called The Eagle, one called White Butterflies, and one called The Flea and the Fly. Which one do you want to start with? The Eagle. Hey, Peyton, let's take the idiot test. If it's called the Eagle, it must be about what? An eagle, ladies and gentlemen. He passed the idiot test. Go clap. The Eagle. There we go. Speaking of the Eagle, what can I do to my title, y'all? No. Quotation marks. Good job. Not circle, but quotation marks. What can I do to my stanzas, y'all? I'm going to number the stanzas. 1, 2, I just made allusion to what Sesame Street character? The vampire guy. The count. Yes. Hey, let's count our lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have 14 lines? No. I have how many? 6. So that means this is not a sonnet, because if it was a sonnet, it would have how many? 14. So we know it's not a sonnet right there, okay? And it's only got 2 stanzas. They're numbered, so check it out. Caleb Towns is going to take the first stanza. Noah Bean's going to take the second stanza. So here we go. The Eagle. Take it away. Fantastic. Hey, read that last line one more time, Noah Bean. No, the last line. And like a thunderbolt he falls. Like a comparison using like or as is called what? Assembly. Well, let's write that in there, even though I'm not going to worry about that stuff yet, but that's easy. We're going to do the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme is pretty simple because I'm just looking at the last word in every line. So the first line is always going to be what alphabetical letter, y'all? A. So hands is going to be A. Now hands and lands and stands, they all what? Rhyme. So this rhyme scheme is easy because all 3 lines are going to be what letter? Eh. Now look at this. Crawls, walls, falls, they all rhyme. They're not going to be A, though. They're going to be what? Beh. Beh. Fantastic. That was a hard rhyme scheme to do, right? Make sure you do as I do, guys, because that's how you're going to learn how to do this. By doing what I do. It's kind of like math class. Y'all want me to zoom in? All right, zooming in on 3, 2, 1. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, zoom, zoom, zoom. That better? Worse? Y'all feel like, all right, the eye doctor, better 1 or better 2? Better 1, better 2. Better 1, better 2. Y'all's eye doctors ever do that to y'all? Oh man, I feel like I'm giving like the wrong answer. They're like, better 1, better 2. You're like 2. They're like, really? I'm like, I'm sorry, better 1? Just me? Okay, just me. Kids at home are watching going, what's wrong with this guy? All right, so because this is all about alliteration, I noticed that there's some alliteration in this poem, but just to make sure we fully understand it, we're going to read it one more time. So check it out. Peyton Bird's going to take line 1. Whitehead's going to take line 2. Addison's going to take line 3. Will's going to take line 4. Taylor's going to take line 5. And Josiah's going to wrap it up with line 6. Okay? Take it away, Fur. The wrinkle. Bravo. Okay, bravo. So I'm looking for alliteration. Okay, just in that first line, y'all, he clasped the Craig with crooked hands. What sound gets repeated, y'all? That C sound, yes. He clasped the Craig with crooked hands. There we go. Close to the sun. And then I've got, in that second line, what other sound gets repeated in that second line? Second line. Close to the sun and lonely lands. That L sound, yes. Lonely lands. Hey, that wasn't so hard, right? That's pretty easy, right? The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. He watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt he falls. I see there's a sound that gets repeated in the second stanza. What sound is it? The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. He watches. What'd you say? W. Dibby. There we go. That wasn't so bad, right? Look at this. Crawls, walls, falls. That LLS sound gets repeated there. You know. That wasn't so bad, was it? I did the rhyme scheme, a number of the stanzas. I found the alliteration. I found the assembly. And I figured out how to spell the eagle, right? Right? Right. I was going to say, y'all are lacking the energy. Well, are we going to do precious stones, white butterflies, or the flame of fly next? Precious stones. Precious stones. Y'all look at precious stones. Real quick, right here, Shamla, it's called precious stones. It must be about what? Ladies and gentlemen, clap. She passed the test. Okay, real quick, what can I do to my title? Quotation. Yes, boom. What can I do next? One, two, An emerald is as green as grass, a ruby as red as blood, a sapphire shines as blue as heaven, a flint lies in the mud, a diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire, an opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds fire. Damn. All right, let's do the rhyme scheme. Grass. Does that rhyme with anything? No. So that's going to be A, because it's the first line. Blood and grass. Do they rhyme? B. Heaven, blood, grass. Do they rhyme? C. Does mud rhyme with anything? Blood. So that's going to be B. Good job, boyhead. A, B, C, B. Just like that. That's not so hard, right? Stone. Does it rhyme with anything? No. So that's going to be D. Desire doesn't rhyme, there'll be E. Spark doesn't rhyme, there'll be F. But fire rhymes with desire, so that'll be what? E. So I've got A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. Just like that. There's the rhyme scheme right there. Shine bright like a diamond. I see a simile. I see a simile. I see assembly. See assembly. I see three assemblies. Anybody see three assemblies? 1, 2, 3. Taylor sees assembly. What is it? Green as grass. There's one. Everybody see another one? Oh, come on, y'all. There's three right next to each other. Taylor, get the rebound. Shines blue as heaven. I see one more, y'all. Yes, good job. Boom. That wasn't so hard, right? We got three assemblies going on right there. Hey, I see a great example of personification. Personification. Personification is when I take something that's not human and I make it what, y'all? Human. Okay, so look at the second stanza. There's a great example of personification. A diamond is a brilliant stone to catch a world's desire, and opal holds a fire spark, and a flint holds fire. There's two of them. No, we'll come back to that. That's something. What you got? An opal holds a fiery spark. Okay. An opal won't really hold a fiery spark, and somebody else is holding something. What is it? Yes, good job. A flint creates fire, doesn't really hold fire. So I got two examples of personification right there, okay? I see a metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison using is, are, was, or were. Everybody see the metaphor? Ladies and gentlemen, London Whitehead. Crowd goes wild. Good job. So I found some similes, I found the metaphor, I found 2 examples of personification. Let's worry about the alliteration. And everyone is green as grass, y'all. What sound? G. Because I'm a gangster. Ruby red. I think London knows exactly. She smells what the rock is cooking. A sapphire shines. And then down here, that's Flint holds fire. There we go. That's pretty easy, right? So easy, a caveman could do it. Y'all too young to run those commercials. You want? Oh, your metaphor's right here. My brain. Down this brain down. That's your metaphor. All right. Hey, Shima, white butterflies or the flame of fly? White butterflies! All right, we don't have much time before the video runs out. Let's do this thing. All in favor and ask to read in the first stanza, say aye. Aye. And then all in favor and will read in the second stanza, say nay. Nay, look at that. All right, so Addison's going to hit the first stanza. Will's going to hit the second stanza. Before we do that, folks, boom, boom, 1, 2, go ahead, Addison.
Some fly light and laugh of glee. Some fly soft and long inside, fall to heaven where each would fly.
I'm going to go ahead and make my confused face. What? Huh? I don't get it. What? All right. I don't fully understand it, so we're going to have some fun with this. Okay? Check this out. Caleb, you're going to take the first word, fly. Okay? All right? No, you're going to take the second word, white. Then Caleb's going to take the third word, butterflies. You're going to, I know, then out, then Caleb 2, then Noah C. Y'all see that? Caleb, every other word. Caleb, you're going to say fly. Noah's going to say white. You're going to say butterflies. Noah's going to say out. You're going to say 2. He's going to say C. And y'all going to keep going, okay? You ready? Caleb, Noah, do you understand? Take it away. Caleb.
I'm again. Butterfly. 2, rail. 1, small, wing, you, then, fly. Some, fly, pass, mass, wing, fly, soft, on, side,
Ladies and gentlemen, golf clap. Golf clap. Hey, now, I don't fully understand it, but do I have to understand it, though? No, I don't have to understand it. Let's do the accents right quick, because we only got about a minute and a half left in this video, and that's going to cut me off. Here we go. Fly. Or first out the S sound. Fly, white butterflies, frail, fly. We got wings, white, we, wind, white. Okay. So the S sound. We got the F sound still. F. There we go. There's our alliteration right there. Hey, I see a great example of refrain. Refrain is when we repeat a word over and over again. Okay. What word gets repeated multiple times? Fly. Okay, so I got fly, 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 fly. There we go. Then you can see like they do it with wings and wings. Okay, that's refrain right there. Okay, that's refrain. Okay, everybody cool with that? The video's running out, so everybody say goodbye. Now we're gonna do the flame the fly. Take your skills, what you learned up here, we're gonna apply it to flame the fly. It's a fun, easy poem. There's refrain in there. There's alliteration. Yeah, it should be a walk in the park.